Hello and welcome back, or if this is your first time tuning in, then welcome to 60 Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. Today, I'm going to show you how to get more out of your preferred web browser. Typically, when we navigate the web, selecting the browser of our choice, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, etc., we may utilize the bookmark feature or the password management feature, and that'd pretty much be it. But what you might not know is browsers have their own app store, so to speak, in which you can download programs, or in this case, extensions, that can meet certain needs of your own when searching the web. Such needs might be additional cybersecurity such as ad blockers or language translation. Regardless, these extensions can be utilized in almost any web page. So if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started.
Beginning in the web browser of your choice, locate the settings menu at or around the top right-hand side of your web page. From here, I'm going to select the option labeled Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and lastly, Get Extensions. After completing these steps, an app store specifically for browser programs will appear. Here, you can search for an array of programming such as communication, security, shopping, accessibility, and more. Once you have found the application that you want, simply select the option to get or download. Now you'll be asked to give permission for the software to perform data-seeking functions. I highly recommend that you do your research on the program before downloading, as some extensions could be impacted by malware. In this case, I feel comfortable downloading this temporarily. Now the extension has been added to my browser. By clicking the extension icon, I can now interact with the application while navigating the web. To manage your extensions, navigate back to your settings, then select Manage Extensions. Here I can turn off the application or remove it altogether.
As always, I greatly appreciate your time and concern for wanting to enhance your digital literacy. Again, my name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.